Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl, Lieuw. Organizers of Aruba in Style has great expectations for this year. The purpose of AIS is to place Aruba in the forefront as a fashion-forward island in the Caribbean or even in the region. Press members and international designers are invited every year. Ava Waver, the founder of Aruba in Style, says the amount of press coverage AIS has received has grown year after year.
Every year we are increasing the PR value for the island of Aruba. It's been significantly high lately, and we expect more since we are inviting new press. We have more press from Venezuela. We have Latino coming. We have Daily Candy, which is very, very popular globally. So we have many new press, and that's more exciting, and that creates more value for us.
Aruba in Style 2013 is scheduled from November 7th to the 10th. International press members are expected. Well-known designers from all over the world have committed. Aruba in Style has now made a name for itself within a different kind of market.
It has put Aruba very well-known more into the international eye, globally into the lifestyle media, into the genre that is what we want to bring here with these type of events. When we started to invite the press to Aruba and the designers, they would ask, where is Aruba? Now we have to really select from all the press that wants to come, wants to be part of it. We have a Life in Style magazine that is coming also this year, and inviting celebrities from LA. So they know about the event, they know about Aruba, so Aruba is already on that platform that we are working very hard to keep it on.
According to Shani Summers, a public relations expert working for AIS, she says destinations who depend on tourism needs to host international events to generate PR.
I really am proud of where Aruba is going with international level events in general. You know what I mean? When we talk about fashion, Aruba in our region is on the way to becoming one of the largest fashion platforms in the Caribbean, if you know what I mean. And like Eva mentioned, when you talk about PR value, that really is unmeasurable in terms of where this event can take Aruba in terms of media attention.
Aruba in Style undoubtedly requires a significant amount of investment from the government. The fashion and lifestyle event isn't without its critics. Shani says the amount of exposure AIS is gaining for the island may not be felt in the local community, but the magnitude of it will reap benefits in the long run.
I know that we grew 6 times larger than the first year, and it's only the 3rd edition. So I believe we had over 1.2 million PR value revenue, if you can call it that, in the first year, and then PR value grew to over 6 million per the last event, so which is a very short time frame, you know. So that just gives you an indication of what direction we're going with the exposure in this event.
On the next show, the ladies of AIS will discuss how the event has impacted tourism, as well what are some things Aruba in Style can improve on.